Thank you for your interest in the College of Engineering Accelerated Master's programs. This video will provide you an overview of possible career paths. Let's start with biomedical engineering career outlooks. Here are the top industries for biomedical engineers: scientific research and development services, medical equipment and supplies manufacturing, pharmaceutical and medicine manufacturing, professional and commercial equipment and supplies merchant wholesalers, management of companies and enterprises, navigational, measuring, electromedical, and control instruments manufacturing. Between 24 and 25, there were just over 5,400 job postings nationwide, and the median salary was just under $107,000 in 2024. When we look at product development engineers, here you can see some of the top industries. There's some overlap. You'll see architectural, engineering and relatable services, aerospace product and parts manufacturing, semiconductor and other electronic component manufacturing, motor vehicle parts manufacturing. And you can see that there in between 24 and 25, we had just under 200,000 job postings, and the median salary was just over $101,000. Now let's take a look at our own alumni. Our alumni from the Biomedical Engineering Accelerated Master's Program work in a variety of positions. Common job titles include biomedical engineer, research and development engineer, and quality engineer. And alumni from this program are working across the country. We have large concentrations in Wisconsin, Minnesota, Massachusetts, Arizona, Illinois, California, and you can see there's more, and the list just continues and continues. And employers are some of the biggest names in healthcare and medical technology. Global medical device leaders like Medtronic, healthcare innovation and diagnostic companies like Pfizer, Exact Sciences, plus specialized medical technology firms such as Brainlab, Fujifilm. In our biomedical engineering, biomedical innovation design, and entrepreneurship masters, alumni work in roles like product development engineer, R&D engineer, manufacturing engineer. You're also going to see them in positions such as product engineer, process development engineer, design quality assurance engineer, and even field clinical specialists. You can see our alumni are working across the nation, similar states to our last slide. And engineers include a lot of companies. You can see major medical device and healthcare leaders like Medtronic, Abbott's, Boston Scientific, GE Healthcare, innovation-focused healthcare companies such as Exact Sciences, Epic, Thermo Fisher. And then we're also seeing emerging and specialized innovation companies like Promega, P&G, and even Under Armour are hiring out of this network. Next, we have our civil and environmental engineering. Here are the top industries: architectural, engineering and relatable services, local government, excluding education and hospitals, state government, excluding education and hospitals, non-residential building construction, water, sewage, and other systems, and then federal government. You can see that there were just over 171,000 job postings, and that the median salary was just under 100,000. Our graduates are working in roles such as design engineering, structural designer, systems engineer, and are located in states from coast to coast, north, south, Midwest, across the country. Our alumni have roles at a variety of companies, from regional and specialized firms to specialized engineering services to major engineering consulting companies. Now let's discuss the career outlook for electrical and computer engineering. First, we're going to start with our electrical and computer engineering professional masters. Here are the top industries. We have architectural, engineering and related services, electric power generation and transmission and distribution, navigational, measuring, electromedical and control instruments manufacturing, scientific research and development services, aerospace product and parts manufacturing, management of companies and enterprises. And you can see there were nearly 140,000 job postings, and the median salary was just over $111,000. Our alumni hold roles like design engineer, systems software engineer, and digital design engineer. And you can see we've got alumni in states like Wisconsin, California, Illinois, Texas, Minnesota, Iowa, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Rhode Island, Delaware, coast to coast. And employers include some of the biggest names in tech and engineering. You can see tech giants and semiconductor leaders, major technology and defense companies, as well as power systems and industrial companies. Next, we're going to look at our electrical and computer engineering, machine learning, and signal processing. Some of the top industries are computer systems design and related services, software publishers, management of companies, computing infrastructure providers, data processing, web hosting and related services, management, scientific and technical consulting services, web search portals, libraries, archives. And you can see there were just over 138,000 job postings with a median salary just over $133,000. Our alumni are working in roles such as software engineer, electrical engineer, and instrumentation and controls engineer. And you're going to see also that they have positions like iOS engineer and R&D electrical engineer. And alumni are living all over the nation. Employers are going to include major names across technology and engineering, Amazon, affiliate engineers. Alumni are also working at ByteDance, Siemens, Wind River. And as we shift to industrial engineering, industrial engineers have a wide range of opportunities across multiple sectors. Some of those top industries are going to include architectural engineering and related services, aerospace product and parts manufacturing, semiconductor and other electronic component manufacturing, motor vehicle parts manufacturing, navigational measuring, electric mechanical and controlled instruments manufacturing, as well as managing companies and enterprises. And the demand for industrial engineers is strong. You can see that there were nearly 195,000 job postings, and the median salary was just over $101,000. For our own alumni, graduating with the Human Factors and Health Systems Engineering specialty are working in a variety of roles. Some common job titles include healthcare analyst, performance improvement specialist, and industrial engineer. They're working across the country, and they're working for some of the biggest names in healthcare and technology. Premier healthcare systems like Mayo Clinic, Northwestern Medicine, medical device leaders like Johnson & Johnson, GE Healthcare, and Medtronic, plus companies focused on healthcare analytics and consulting like Huron and Guidehouse, even working for emerging healthcare tech firms, as you can see listed. Industrial engineering alumni focused on our systems engineering and analytics masters are working in spaces with job titles such as data analyst or business intelligence analyst, industrial and systems engineer, manufacturing engineer, quality engineer, process engineers. They're working pretty much everywhere. They're spread across states like Wisconsin, California, Illinois, Texas, Utah, Minnesota, Florida, Oregon, and their employers are huge tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, Intel, healthcare leaders like United Healthcare, Boston Scientific, and manufacturing powerhouses like Tesla and John Deere, plus are working in consulting and specialized services like Epic and Stryker. Next, we're going to take a look at material science and engineering. Some of the top industries are aerospace product and parts manufacturing, architectural engineering and related services, scientific research and development services, the federal government, management of companies and enterprises, semiconductor and other electronic component manufacturing. And you'll see there were just over 15,000 job postings with a median salary just over $108,000. And our alumni are working in positions like environmental engineer, applications development engineer, and research and development engineer. Right now, there's a very strong representation in the Midwest, but the skills that you would gain in this program can really take you anywhere. Employers include major organizations like the US Air Force, TSMC, one of the world's leading semiconductor manufacturers. And you're also going to see companies like KLA, which specializes in semiconductor process control and advanced manufacturing technologies. Next, we're going to look at mechanical engineering. The top industries that are hiring students out of mechanical engineering accelerated master's program are architectural engineering and related services, aerospace product and parts manufacturing, semiconductor and other electronic component manufacturing, motor vehicle parts manufacturing, navigational measuring, electromedical and control instrument manufacturing, management of companies and enterprises. And the demand is strong. You can see there were nearly 195,000 job postings with a median salary over $101,000. Our graduates from this program are working in a wide range of positions. You can see we've got design engineer, mechanical engineer, product development engineer, manufacturing engineer, R&D engineer, systems engineer, aerospace engineer, performance engineer, and are located across the country. They're employed by some of the biggest names in aerospace, defense, and manufacturing. Companies like Boeing, GE Aerospace. We also have medical device technology companies such as Boston Scientific, Cook Medical, Abbott, and Rockwell Automation, and the manufacturing and industrial sectors such as Cummins, Trek, Rolls-Royce. For engineering mechanics, aerospace engineering masters, some of the top industries are aerospace product and parts manufacturing, architectural engineering and related services, the federal government, scientific research and development services, navigational, measuring, electromedical, and controls instrument manufacturing, computer systems design and related services, with over 12,000 job postings and a median salary just shy of $135,000. Here are some of the common job titles for our alumni. Roles such as aerospace engineer, aerospace systems engineer, and flight test engineer. You're going to also see them in positions such as propulsion engineer, aerodynamics engineer, aircraft engineer, and propulsion systems engineer. And the top employers are some of the biggest names in aerospace and defense. You're also going to find opportunities for those interested in space. Thank you for watching this Career Outlook video. On the screen are QR codes that will provide you with additional information about the programs and the application process. If you have additional questions, feel free to contact an enrollment coach anytime. You can see our phone number, email, and a link to schedule with us. Thank you for joining us. Have a great rest of your day and on Wisconsin.